Today, I'll be talking about some old educational video games. The first of these will be Odell Lake, published by MECC. The object of Odell Lake is to have students become familiar with 6 different species of fish. A student can choose any of the 6 fish listed here. I have no idea what a chub is, so I think I'm going to choose that. On second thought, this fish looks too small. I think I want something bigger. That's better. After a student makes their selection, they are presented with different events, and they can choose how to respond to these. The results of their actions are then displayed for them to evaluate. As students continue playing the game, they learn how different types of fish interact with other fish in the same lake. In this case, we learn that the rainbow trout does not pose a threat to the blueback salmon. Unfortunately, players can't do just anything they want. But even when students make a mistake, they are presented with the information on how to avoid that mistake in the future. The next game we'll examine is Number Munchers. In Number Munchers, students assume the role of a muncher. The goal of the game is to have your muncher eat all the correct answers on the screen. Students are also able to choose what subject they'll study. As students identify correct answers, their score goes up. Students are also presented with the added challenge of troggles. Troggles eat munchers and change numbers, providing an additional layered challenge. When all the correct answers on the screen have been eaten, the student is taken to the next level. Special care must be taken not to eat incorrect answers. If a student eats an incorrect answer, one of their lives will be taken away. Because knowledge of numbers is very important in this game, students strive to find the correct answers. But no matter how good you are, you can always be eaten by a troggle. So why am I taking the time to talk about these old educational video games in a class about web-based technology? Well, I'm glad you asked. When we talk about technology, we usually think about new and exciting things, but sometimes existing technologies work just as well. The question then becomes, how do we get these technologies to other people? The answer is by using the internet. The video games I presented today, and many others, are available online for people to use. By giving everyone access to these educational tools, we will provide the means necessary to learn, regardless of background. But you don't have to take my word for it.